Get ready to take your outdoor experience to the next level with the Arrowhead Outdoor 360-degree swivel chair, perfectly designed for hunting and outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring an eye-catching removable forest camo design seat pad that seamlessly blends into any natural setting. The included carry bag and its lightweight frame make it incredibly easy to transport, so you can set up your blind wherever your next hunt takes you. Just simply screw the base to the seat and sit comfortably, scanning the landscape with ease as you wait for the perfect shot. With an ultra-silent 360-degree swivel bearing, you'll never accidentally spook a critter. Individually adjustable legs assure a level footing on uneven ground and hillsides. Arrowhead Outdoor also offers a variety of products that fit any terrain and meet your hunting needs. Arrowhead Outdoor. Venture boldly. Live wildly.